In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically exit a Google Meet session. Many of us spend considerable time on virtual meetings, and sometimes it's easy to forget to leave a meeting when you're the last one left in the call. This can be both inconvenient and a drain on your device's resources. In this video, I'll guide you through a quick and straightforward process to ensure that you never accidentally stay in a call alone again. To begin, open a web browser and navigate to Google Meet's homepage. Once you're there, direct your attention to the settings, which is typically represented by a gear icon. This configuration area is where you can customize various preferences to optimize your Google Meet experience. Now that you're inside the settings, you'll see a category labeled General. Feel free to click on it. This section contains essential options that govern how Meet functions in a more overarching way. Here, look out for an option that mentions leaving empty calls. Essentially, this is the feature that will ensure you automatically exit when you're the last participant remaining. Make sure this option is disabled, which might sound counterintuitive. However, disabling this feature means that Meet will automatically hang up the call for you when no other participants are in the meeting. Once you've done this, exit out of the Settings menu, and there's a step we need to address involving your calendar. Open your Google Calendar, where your events and meeting links are conveniently stored. You'll want to find the meeting event you're intending to join. Click on that event to view the details and any attached video call information. Here, you should find an option that says Join with Google Meet. Clicking on this will take you directly into the meeting space. As you enter the link, you'll be greeted with a preview screen of your camera and microphone settings. Make sure these are set to your preferences, and when you're ready, click on Join Now to successfully enter the meeting room. By following these steps, you've now set your Google Meet to leave empty calls automatically. This means uninterrupted peace of mind, knowing that once everyone else has left, you're not inadvertently left in the meeting by yourself. With this setup, your device will benefit from minimized resource usage, and you'll have one less thing to worry about in your busy digital day. Remember, each of these steps is crucial to ensure seamless automatic functionality, so be sure to follow them closely. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you'll never experience the frustration of lingering in a meeting alone again.